In terms of appearance, the new MG5 adopts the design language of SAIC's MG family. The front air intake grille has been replaced with a large-sized vertical design, supported by a newly designed lampset, which adds a little more elegance to it. Secondly, the black tooth design on both sides further enhances the sporty feel of the car. The side of the car's body inherits the classic fastback shape of the MG brand, creating a strong visual impact and unique brand awareness. In terms of body size, the length, width and height are 4715/1842/1473 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2680 mm. The new car has a body that is 40 mm longer than the old model. The Fastback design, which is 1842 mm in class and has a height/width ratio of 0.799, which is rare in its class, creates a wide-body, low-slung visual effect. The latest RealShot model is equipped with 17-inch 5-spoke aluminum alloy wheels. The shape of the rear of the car, the slightly fastback-style rear link, makes the corners of the ducktail more prominent, and also adds a diffuser guard and dual exhaust system, giving it a small appearance. In addition, the taillight area has been extended, and the taillights on both sides extend to the license plate position. In terms of interior, the interior of the new MG5 is designed with a slightly sports theme, using a black and red color match design, equipped with a new generation of dynamic seats and a D-shaped multifunction sports steering wheel. Although the center console is mainly covered with soft water molding and hard plastic, MG has also carefully added red stitching. The seats in the car are relatively thick and have good coating on both sides. The middle part of the backrest of the front and rear seats is painted red, which strengthens the sporty atmosphere to some extent. Although the car is sports-oriented, the interior is spacious. For example, the trunk area has a volume of 398 liters, which can accommodate 28-inch and 24-inch standard luggage. Secondly, the rear seats can be folded to expand the luggage space. The new MG5 is equipped with dual 12.3-inch interactive large screens. The Zebra Venus intelligent car system supports voice control of the car windows, etc., and can realize 90 seconds of continuous voice dialogue, and the car also supports Apple CarPlay, Huawei HiCar, Baidu CarLife, CarLink and other mainstream smartphone connections. It is equipped with a 540 degrees high-definition panoramic imaging system and a built-in driving recorder. In terms of power, the new MG5 will continue to be equipped with two 4-cylinder engines, 1.5L and 1.5T. The 1.5L engine has a maximum power of 95 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 158 Nm, and comes with a 5-speed manual transmission or CVT continuously variable transmission. The 1.5T engine uses e-power control electronically controlled turbine technology, small inertia turbine and electronically controlled bypass valve technology, which can effectively shorten the boost response time. Maximum output power is 133 kilowatts, peak torque is 285 Nm. With 7-speed wet dual clutch transmission, it can accelerate from 0 to 160 miles per hour in just 6.9 seconds.